Check out that house over there. The owner of that house tells me that it was built in the 1860s. Let's go check it out. Man, that's crazy. This part was built later than the 1860s, but if we go down into the basement right there, he said that we can see some pretty cool 1800 stuff. Yeah, and so here we are inside the house. Look at that old plaster. That's the basement. We got to go down there. Ooh, that's crazy. Man, I can't wait to go down there. Look at this. Have you ever dealt with this stuff before? This lath and plaster? This stuff is insane. It is such a pain. Check out this mountain of blown in insulation and plaster. Look how they did that lath and plaster right there. See how that's all crooked right there? That's crazy how they did that. Now here's something the owner was telling me about. He said that in this house there was all kinds of like secret compartments that had been blocked off. And when he found them, he thought that he was gonna go in there and find some like old stuff that's like, you know, 1800s relics and stuff like that, and all kinds of secrets in this house. Here goes a second crawl-in closet. Look at that. I'm not crawling in there, but crazy. See all that right there? You know what that is? Bat droppings. That's guano. Like, there's years and years of literally like guano in the walls. Wow. Crazy. Alright, you ready for the basement? Let's go. Let's go down there. I just heard a car door slam. Hold on, let me go see something. Alright, yeah, I heard a car door slam and I didn't want to freak the owner out when he came in here, so decided to make sure it wasn't him. Ooh, it's cool down here. Whoa. It's really cool feeling. Yeah. Check out this door. Wow. Listen. It's like a haunted sound. Listen. Ooh. Here's the coal bucket. I'm back in the day, I think. How old is that? Look at that. That's funny. How in the world did people back in the 1800s ever keep their house warm with stuff like this? Here's something pretty freakish. Look at this. It's a knife. Knife has been stabbed into the 2x4. Okay, now here is the most important part of the video. The owner told me that the beams of this house are literally made out of trees. All right, now I'm in the basement, and here is a tree with bark. Let me get a close-up of this bark. Yeah, there's literally bark on the wood from the 1860s. Look at that. Yeah. Listen. Pretty solid. And this tree, you can see how they lopped off the branch right there. This, I think it's like a birch tree. I don't know. Look at this. Vietnam. A top South Vietnamese spokesperson said today an early ceasefire is a major priority. Wow. November 29th, 1968. What could that be right there? Does anyone know what that could be? Here we have an 1860s shelf here, and so what they did is they poured the concrete floor, and then they just left a mound. That mound right there, that's just a mound of concrete. Then they went out into the backyard and cut a tree down. Okay, this is weird. This is weird. This looks just like horsehair. It's exactly what it looks like. And this is paper, right? And it has tar on it. Do you think that this was like an early version of like tar paper that was made out of horsehair? I don't know if that exists, but it makes sense to me. Like, watch what happens when I pull this. It breaks. Like, you think that might be horsehair? I don't know. Is it horsehair tar paper? There's another tree. Wow. Anyway, if you are a subscriber to this channel, thank you for watching. Hey, I got another metal detecting video coming out pretty soon. And then I got a living history video coming out, and then I got a miscellaneous video, and maybe a gardening video. So just a quick tour of an 1800s house It is so weird to see a house made out of trees. Crazy.